Initiating.
Lift off normal.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Finally the day we've been waiting for. It's, well, not 4th of July, it's 5th of July. We decided to shoot our show a day after the 4th because of the weather. A lot better weather today though. It's pretty comfortable out. No rain in the forecast. Should be a pretty good day. Before we get into this video, make sure y'all drop down, hit that like, subscribe button, turn that bell on so you never miss a video. Let's get right into it. We're about to hit a lunatic rocket. What do you think about these, Cameron?
Let's start the 4th.
Yeah?
He's got some new neighbors.
Fuck yeah.
Those are good.
Yeah, they're loud. Look at the smoke. Those things are definitely some of our favorite salute rockets. I think Vikings still stand a #1 spot though, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Lunatics are good, but I think they're a little bit cheaper, so.
USA Smoke by Wanda Fireworks.
Yes, sir. This one's cool because the smoke comes out of that little hole. Jesus. Oh, that's cool. Red, white, and blue. What do you think about that?
Pretty cool.
Yeah. I thought it'd be thicker smoke. Maybe it's just the wind. Smoke has its distinctive smell.
Yep.
Smells nothing like any other fireworks. Still good though, pretty cool. Dragonfly. That's cool. Yeah, that's supposed to be like a 2-stage.
Second stage happened on the ground.
Second stage, no propulsion.
Lift off normal.
Magnificent liftoff of PSLV C-57.
Crackling balls.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Do one.
These things are still fun at night, so might save a couple. Bro puts down the torch to use a lighter. Not much else to a crackling ball. Here goes. I'm 7 little wooden sparklers. Fire in the hole. They'd be bright at night.
Yeah.
Dropping a rock on a little red snapper. All of them?
Yep.
Oh my god! That was loud. Kind of hurt my ears.
Yeah.
Look at the rock. You can see where they're all at. We're gonna hit a little red and green. It's like a single shot but double salute. It's kind of like a Bam Bam. Well, maybe it's just one.
It's supposed to be two.
I think those are a single shot, but there's like a red and a green star in there, and that's why it's called red and green. Little crazy spades.
By brothers.
I think these have like actual decent breaks to them.
Yeah. Jesus.
Yeah, you might want to.
Oh my god. Jesus.
Just spit out like all the powder. Oh my god.
They had a launch.
Yeah.
I'm not holding that anymore. Red will show up the best.
The fucking packaging's giving you a run for your money, it looks like.
Yeah, they're like stuck together.
Here goes a little, I would say little, but this motherfucker is not little. Big Pyro Diablo candy. Damn. That's a whole cake. Oh, I do not like this. This thing has some recoil. It's almost like a cake, but like, it's definitely a cake break. It's cool being able to like point it, see the huge break. All right, if you saw our Ball of Fun video, we opened up the ball and had the grandiose idea of putting an explosive inside of it. As you can see, we've got a bunny's ear cracker inside and filled it with sand, which I don't know if it's gonna be a good idea or not, but We're gonna find out. Here goes a bunny's ear cracker inside of a ball full of sand. That just sounds like the intro to a bad accident. Oh, I might blow the lid off with that little fountain. Okay, I thought that was gonna blow it like sand further, but shit, that was loud. Yes, sir. There goes a brown wrap cracker. Every single cracker is putting off a smoke ring. Here goes Cameron's favorite for some reason. These things make an absolute mess.
You like them too.
Yeah.
Don't lie.
Happy bomb, these things go up in like a second. It's a candle. The sand definitely muffles it.
Yeah, that's cool, honestly.
Look at the sunset right now though. It's so nice out. Here's a little TNT fountain. You can see that pretty clearly. Jump over it. Alright, hold up. You gotta tell the fans what this is.
This is our annual tradition. This is how we really kick off the 4th of July. In this case, the 5th of July. It was a 96 shot color pearl.
What are we doing?
Cracker.
Let's see said cracker. Get the fuck out of here. I want to see it. We wrapped up one of our favorites. Can't see anything. But yeah. Trying to kind of jerry-rig the fuse, so I'm really hoping this works, but we'll see. Okay, let's check out the grass now. Nothing around it. Oh yeah, it's gone. I think that was louder.
Yeah.
I think that tape made it louder. Holy fuck. Dude, it definitely did.
The bug.
That 100% made it more powerful. Dude, that launch is insane.
Yeah.
That launch is like, probably, I like more than the break. 3-inch banger shell. Well, it was supposed to be a... Alright, here goes a Zombie Revenge. Dude, I get spots in my eyes.
Yeah, I can't see.
Every time we light those, it hurts my eyes. Those will always be the lightest, or brightest and loudest salutes we've ever had.
Yeah. No.
Those things are insane. Alright, here goes a Sky Howler by Monkey Mania. I've been hearing a lot of things about these in my comments after the shopping video, and
I haven't seen these. What do they do?
I don't know. They're not salutes, I know that, but apparently they're supposed to be pretty good, so we'll see how big this break is. I think we just found something that's louder than the fucking electro streak. Holy fucking... Bro. That thing was like ear splitting.
That was loud.
Yeah. Those are the loudest screamers. Loudest whistling we've ever had. That was insane. Landmines by Dominator. Not too crazy. They're big.
A lot of smoke.
Yeah. And here goes a Saturn V Heavy Lifter by Dominator. These are new for us. Haven't had them before.
Initiating.
Lift off normal.
Those are pretty good.
Those are good brakes.
Yeah. For a rocket, that's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
All right, here goes a Big Daddy 5-inch canister shell by Pyro Diablo. Never tried these. These are new for us. Gonna see what it's all about. Fast fuse. Those are cops every year.
That's impressive.
Oh yeah. We're picking those up every year. Right, here goes a blue ring shell.
Oh, come on.
Thought it'd be bigger. Or not bigger, but like cooler effect.
I think we had a little mess up there.
Right, here goes a little blue Mighty Mini. Little ones pack punch too.
Mighty and they're mini.
Yeah, just like you. Goes Cameron's contraption. Safety, snowboard on priority. Here goes 4 little Mighty Minis fused together.
I didn't put that there.
Yeah, I did. There it goes. It's like in the tree. Right, here goes a Masters. What's the effect?
Sky blue, cherry, red pearls, gold glitters.
Those 100% have a bigger break than the 3-inch shells. All right, here goes Who Let the Hog Out. Big shout out to Ed Wolfram. He donated $40 for me to get a Girandola. That's exactly what I did. This is Who Let the Hog Out. I don't think there's any brand because you're gonna find out. It's got a big shell on it. So spin.
It spins.
Yeah. Be just fine. Here goes a Girandola. This is our first one ever. It's gonna be loud.
Really?
Like whistling. Yeah. Look at all the smoke.
Come back down.
Big shout out to Ed. I don't know, see if the grass burned or something. It's like dark. Oh, yeah.
Look at
All the smoke.
Doctors by Supreme Fireworks.
Here goes Blaze It by Pyro High. That's pretty nice. That whistling was loud. Here goes Orange Sky by Dominator. Stabilized with shell tubes. It's alright. Probably wouldn't pick it up again. And here goes Whistle in the Wind by Firehawk. It's a new cake for us. Pick up at America's Thunder. Well, something went wrong.
That wasn't supposed to happen.
No. Shit went off on the ground. Here goes Headshot by Dominator. 8-shot cake. And here goes Monkey Wrench by Maddox. This is supposed to be a pretty good one. T-Rex by Pyro Diablo. This one is always a classic. Jeez. They break low, but damn, they're loud. This is Black and Blue by Firework, 25 shots. What was that?
That was really good.
Yeah. Airborne by Sky Sonic. Oh. Dude, I swear to God, one of those went up and didn't go off. It's what it seemed like. I don't know. I did not know that was gonna be a salute cake though.
I didn't either.
I thought Sky Sonic was like a consumer normal brand. Apparently not. Here goes Raiden by Fox Fireworks. 20 shots. That one had really good effects.
Sapphire Clan
by Brothers. Yeah, soft hands, brother.
Soft hands, brother.
That was good. I like that. Here goes Pound for Pound by Pyro Diablo. Dude, that is nice. Dude, I swear Pyro Diablo is just known for low brakes.
Yeah.
They have huge brakes, but they're all low.
You can see when the shell goes up, you're like, yep, that's gonna break.
Oh yeah. Hangs in the air for a second.
Yeah.
Here goes Bad Hair Day by Brothers. 49 shots. Oh my God. The finale was pretty cool. I just wish the brakes were bigger.
Yeah.
Alright, here goes. The stars hang so long. That shit is beautiful. Oh my God, hold up. Dude, oh my God. It burned a hole in the tarp. Saw that glowing on top. If that would have fallen through, we would have been fucked. Look at it.
Yeah.
Bro's going fishing for wads. Yeah, those are louder than 60 gram shells. Lunatic rocket. Goes Whistleblower by, who's that by?
Firehawk.
Yes, sir. I actually really like that.
Yeah.
If we mixed that with something that had brakes, that'd be nice. It was Trader by
T-Sky.
Yeah, T-Sky. It was insanely good. I like the pace, it was quick. Midnight Champagne by T-Sky. This is supposed to be really good. Oh my god. Oh my god. A lot of these are breaking low. That was good though. I had good effect. Good color, everything. Here goes Princess Warrior, no brand, 19 shot cake. Should be good banger. Dude, that's nice. Those are loud and they don't go super high. Here goes Gazoo by No Brand. Had this one last year, and Cameron, what do you think about it?
Pretty good.
Yeah. Dude, oh my god. I think I kind of forgot how loud that cake is. Angel by Hammer and Anvil, and I don't know how many shots it is, but I bet you this is gonna be good. Jesus Christ. Yes. It was amazing.
That was really good.
Yeah, we're definitely picking more of that brand up. All right, here goes Master Babe, or Babe by Master. It's a 100-shot cake. What are your thoughts?
It's gonna be a really good one. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
How much does this cost? Like 100?
Yeah.
Yeah.
$1 a shot.
Ooh.
Yeah.
How many shots is this?
100.
100. Oh yeah, 100 shot.
Yep. Should be a color and salute cake, so.
Hopefully.
This is the pink version also. Apparently the color actually does have something to do with it. I know you saw that shell go off on the ground.
Yep.
Dude, that was really good though. Do you think it was $100 worth?
Absolutely.
Oh yeah.
That legitimately could be used in a professional show.
Oh yeah. Those salutes at the end are just different, bro. Like, that cake is a banger.
Yeah.
100%. All right, here goes our finale. We've got this one going first. It's gonna go like one by one, and both these racks are gonna hit at the same time.
This
So.
one is all bangers.
Yep.
Color and bangers.
Yes, sir. A lot of salutes. So, what do you think?
I'm
So-
really hoping it works.
Oh yeah. We're about to find out. Let me get back to the sidewalk and then you can hit it. Jesus Christ. That was the best one yet. Dude, that actually hurt my ears.
That's what we've been trying to do for years.
Oh yeah. Looks like they all went.
Dude, I looked down after the slow ones went,
Yeah.
and I saw like the
Oh,
shoots
yeah.
all glowing.
It was like a fire.
Yeah.
That was fucking insane.
Now we turn on the scanner and wait to see if we're on it. I think a house just exploded.
Fucking meth lab. All right. That's the only crack on one.